Hello my friends, this is Ginny. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. We are going to do an unboxing today, my friends. I recently purchased two mystery boxes from Ranger. They call them boxes, but they arrive in these amazing bubble mailers, which, by the way, don't trash. You can totally keep and repurpose into journal covers because my, they are gorgeous. And if you love that squishy, noisy type feel, you know, for your covers, this is the way to go. I love these envelopes. It's almost like a bonus buy anytime you purchase from Ranger and they ship to you in one of these bubble mailers. I love the bubble mailers. But enough about the bubble mailers, because we're not here about the bubble mailers. We're here about their mystery boxes. These are Dylusions, or I think they call them Dialogue mystery box is exactly what they call them. They were $18.99 each. You are supposed to have a $63.99, let's say $64 value in each box. If you get more than one box, you do have a high likelihood of getting repeats, and I was okay with that. For $18.99, I got two because I'm extra like that. That's what I do. So I thought I would open them here with you today so we can see together what we got. I'm super excited because I love Dylusions. I love Dyan Reaveley. I just love her products. So I can't wait to see what I got. If you don't know, Ranger does these mystery boxes, I think, regularly. And it's not always Dyan Reaveley. It could be other lines, product lines. I've gotten some in the past where it's just mixed media, and I've gotten some paints and inks. It's just something I enjoy, and they are always reasonably priced, and you really do get value for your money. If you want to learn about these mystery boxes, then I suggest you subscribe to them on social media, because that's how I learn about them. I follow them on, I think it's Instagram, and the minute I see a pop-up about a mystery box sale, I just jump on it. Do not delay, because they tend to go pretty quickly. I don't know that these are still available. Go visit them on their social media, definitely Instagram. And when they post about the mystery boxes, they also link them, so it's really easy and quick to get to. Maybe a little too easy to order, that's why I got two. So let's go ahead and get into this. Scissors are always a good thing. I'm going to take care on how I open these, because I really do love the bubble mailer that they come in, and I really do want to make a journal with one of these bubble mailers, so you'll have to be patient with me. So do I pour it all out, or do I pull things out one at a time? Oh my goodness. Oh, I did it. I looked in the envelope. I snuck a peek. Okay, so let's just pull things out one at a time, because, you know, why not? Okay, we have a dialogue insert book. Did I mention that the it's called the Dialogue mystery box? And dialogue is probably, I'm going to chat with you while I find something I can use to just cut into this. The name they gave to a particular line of products in her collection. If that is the case, I'm not too familiar with what her dialogue collection is. It could be a planner collection. I don't know, but we're going to find out together. Just because something is labeled or designed for one use doesn't mean that you cannot use it in whatever way works for you. So it reads on the back, designed to coordinate with the Dylusions dialogue product line. Insert books are ideal for adding into your dialogue covers to create a book of your own. Featuring black and brightly printed covers, these books include a variety of page styles to fit all journaling preferences. Made out of the same great mixed media cardstock found in the Dylusions Creative Diary. Ooh, love that. Okay, you got me. I'm sold. I'm gonna try to open this without marking the cover. There we go. Because I want to see what one looks like. The little sticker on the front is low tax, so you don't have to worry that it's going to ruin your book. What'll probably ruin your book is if you're aggressive and unwrapping it. Ooh. Oh, wow. I love this. That is heavyweight. That is quality, but why wouldn't it be? That is amazing. Love that. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, another one. And this one's grid. Love that. I won't open this one since we already opened one. They're not kidding about the colors. Look at the colors, how gorgeous. Love the grid. That is awesome. Oh, I feel another one. Oh, this is a cover. Stop it. How cool is that? So you can put these in here. Yeah? Let's go ahead and do that because why not? Here it is out of the packaging. I absolutely love this. Dream. Love this. Let's put this together. Easy enough. Wasn't planning on opening this one, but I guess now I am because I want to put this together. I know, guys, just be patient. You probably just want to see what's in the bag, but part of the fun, I think, in purchasing a mystery box or bag is the unboxing. That whole, what did I get? Because you never know what you're going to get. You get what you get and you don't get upset. Let's start there. So if you order a mystery box or bag, you do so with the understanding that you get what you get and you don't get upset. And if you don't like what you get, then you gift it to somebody else. They might like it. I love this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is awesome. Let's see what else is in this bag. Ooh, I feel, oh my gosh, a storage case. I love the storage bags. So I will tell you something funny. I received not this particular one, but a similar, I don't even know if it was part of the Diane Reevely collection, but in a prior mystery box or bag from way, way, way back, I received something similar in size to this, and I use it to store my laminator. I have a small laminator and it fits perfectly in one of these bags. This is awesome. Great for storing. So I love that. Let's see what else is in here. Glue sticks. Love the glue sticks. I have a lot of these glue sticks. I use them when I am doing my collaging. In fact, I'm just going to open these right up and drop them into the little drawer I have in front of me where I keep my glue sticks. Love that. Never have too much. Let's see what else is in here. Stickers. Oh, this is a planner pad. I think I have something similar to this that I purchased way back when. And I got mine at I'm trying to think. Way back when. I got it from, I want to say Tuesday Morning, when Tuesday Morning was a thing. It's no longer a thing, at least not in my area. It's not. The stores have since shut down. They're gone. And even before they shut down and left, it wasn't quite the bargain that it once was. But these are cute. Super fun. Do not think that you can only use these in planning or planners. You can use these in just about anything. I remember I use mine in a lot of my art journal pages, and I also use some of it in my planners. There's a bunch of smaller packages in here now. Let's see. Oh, how cute are these? Paper clips. Super cute. Oh, these are Post-its. Get out of here. How cute. No way. Check that out. Post-its. Love that. Oh, cool. Extra elastic bands for your journal. So if you have more inserts, or if you want to change the colors of your inserts, you can use this. You can also use these in other journal projects. I mean, use of elastic bands is not restricted or limited to this. I love this cover. It has a canvas feel to it. Look at the stitching. And it's nice thickness. Oh my gosh. Let's open these up, because they are too cute. I know, I'm like a child playing with my new toys. But I want to put these in the journal because they are too cute not to. So let's go ahead and put them in the journal. Because why not? Would we put them on the top? I would say put it on the top. That is too cute. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, it says clearly 6, right? So let's not put another green one. Let's put this one here. So I suspect the other bag is probably going to be very similar. And I'm not going to be mad about that. That is cute. Look at that. Cute, cute, cute. Let's put some over here. Very cute. Oh, we're going to have to switch up one of the ones in the front because we can't have... Well, you know what? Either way, somebody's going to end up with a double green. So, c'est la vie. C'est la vie. These are very nice quality. Look at the back. That is pretty. Well, maybe we'll put... That's what we'll do. We'll put this one here. Oh my goodness, yes. So cute. How cute is this? I love this. So what did we get? Let's review what came in this package. We have the carry case. We have a cover, journal cover. fantastic quality. We have two signatures in the cover, one lined and one with grid paper. The thickness is fantastic. It's absolute quality. You got the heart-shaped paper clips, which I adore. That looks super cute. Some extra elastics, some Post-its or stick-its, and you got the sticker book with all of these fantastic, fabulous stickers. So for $18.99, my friends, that is a deal. And you also got the glue sticks. Can't forget the glue sticks. And as a bonus, you have this. Well, let me double check, make sure nothing's in there. Nope. You have this amazing bubble mailer that, look, you can totally creatively recycle into a journal. And that is what it is called, the Dialogue Mystery Box. Cool. So we have one more. I'm wondering if I should open it, because I suspect, I'll peel that off at another time when I can take my time. I suspect the items are going to be very similar, but so what, right? I'm going to open it. Let me clear off my desk and I'm going to get the second envelope. And I am back. Okay, this is what I decided to do, my friends. I am going to do a quick little giveaway. So if you watch this video all the way to the end, then here's your opportunity to win this fabulous little Dialogue mystery box. No longer a mystery because you just saw me do an unboxing, but if you like what you saw and you missed out on the chance to get this and you want one, then here's that chance. You have to be USA only, because I'm going to ship this to you, and I cannot imagine what the cost of putting this in international mail is going to be. So I apologize to my international friends, but this is going to be USA only. You have to be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below using the words mystery box. And do yourself a favor, don't mention that this is a giveaway in the comment section, because this is how I want to say thank you to all of you who take the time to watch my videos from start to finish and who take the time to leave comments down below. I truly do appreciate you. So again, if you want to be entered, be subscribed to my channel, leave a comment down below. In that comment, include the words mystery box. Okay, like this video, I would greatly appreciate that, and it goes a long way to helping my channel. And you should be USA. I will use random comment picker to randomly select a winner, and as long as you check off all of those boxes, then you win. I will keep this open for, let's say, a week. So yeah, good luck. See you all in my next video, my friends. Bye bye.